If we want to transform our economy from a steady growing economy into an economy that aims to join the safe part of the donut, the current discussion might not be deep enough. We discussed the way we produce, the way we consume, and the way we analyze and explain human behavior. Maybe we should discuss how we enable means how we finance all our activities. Currently, when an activity is enabled, means it receives financing, the decision-making process looks at three main criteria. First, there's risk. Will I get the money back? Second, there's profitability. How much money will I get back? And third, there's liquidity. When will I get the money back? So it is all about money. An easy solution might be to add some additional criteria to the investment process. But I seriously doubt that this would work. And here is why. As soon as money is created by a bank, it has all its well-known functions like serving as value storage, value measurement, or means of e-change to buy a house, for example. These functions exist because of the way we use money. On top of those functions, there's one embedded property that always exists. It is the capacity of money to extract additional money from the project it finances. When you pay interest, money is extracted from the project. This paradigm is what led us to the criteria of risk, profitability, and liquidity. If we want to make better investments, it is not enough to change those criteria. We have to stop the extraction, and that means we have to redesign our currency. The purpose of today's currencies became the maximization of extraction. If we want to change this, we have to design currencies such that their purpose serves the impact we want to enable. We could design a currency that is directly distributed to everybody as universal basic income. The use of the new currency is limited to the purchase of biological, sustainably and fairly produced goods and services. On top of money creation, via the universal basic income, money can also be created for investment as long as investments aim to lead us into the donut. Nobody will be allowed to accumulate money or property above a certain level. This currency does not need to replace the existing one from one day to another. In a first step, it could be introduced as a parallel currency that equilibrates our system. In a second step, the quantities of money of both currencies will be steered such that we will reach the safe part of the donut. We created the rules of our economy and we can change them.